Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your savings goals with digit graphs. Tracking your savings visually can make staying motivated much easier. Digit offers helpful graphs that shows your progress over time. To view these graphs, all you got to do is open the Digit app, and once you're logged into your account, navigate to your savings goal dashboard. There you can just select the specific goal that you want to track, and then Digit will display a clear graph which shows of course how much you've saved so far, your savings or your daily or weekly savings rates, as well as your projected timeline to reach the goal. You can easily spot trends such as times when your savings increased or slowed down, which can also help you to adjust your habits if needed. These visual insights make it simple to stay on track and of course to reach your goal a lot faster. You can also view your total savings across all goals in a combined graph for a complete overview of your financial progress. Try checking your saving graph regularly to stay motivated and to celebrate milestones as you get closer to your goals. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.